Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
Do you know how much food is wasted in the world every year? Well, I don't know, but I'm sure it's a lot.
Let's focus on California. 100 billion pounds of food is wasted every year. That's 1.369 Empire State Buildings. We did the math.
Let's change that with low-cost freedges that divert waste from landfills while creating community.
Community sharing idea is great, especially in a university atmosphere like this. As a professor, I encourage it.
I love the project, the freedge project. It's a great way to reduce waste. It's something I very much support, and I think it's something that should happen in a lot more places. A great way to support the community and a lot of people who don't have food to eat and reduce waste all over.
We love the freedge.
We do love the freedge.
So fast.